no, good afternoon. It's just turned. It's noon. Yeah, I haven't been here for ages. Easter break. It's been busy, hectic, all those things, and I'm kind of looking at everything, going, "Oh my God, everything's grown like the clappers." Wow, where to start? We're going to do. I've done a few bits outside that I hadn't filmed over the last sporadically. Let's turn these first, because look at them. I mean, look at them. They're all sort of leaning towards the light. These are climbing beans. These ones. These are chilies. So they look like they're quite happy. And I actually have some more chilies seedlings at home. Oh gosh. I'll just turn that round so that they all can face. I mean, look at this. What are these again? Oh, here we are. Sunflowers. I can't remember the type. It doesn't matter. Sunflower is a sunflower. But look at that. Look at them leaning. Hilarious. Oh, although I'm going to need to repot these. But we'll worry about that. And these are the sweet peas. They are very happy growing. Oh, that's actually a mange too. I'll put that over there. Yeah, wow. Look at this. Let's just move those over there. I had watered them before the last time I was here, which was days ago. Days and days. That's the beetroot. They need repotting on. What are these again? Oh man, look at that. The carrot goes a bit, doesn't look great, does it? But hopefully, did I write? Oh no, please don't tell me I didn't write. Oh, here we are. Cucumber. Okay. Phew. Right, I need to turn them as well. Just move. Oops. Hope. I'm also standing on a whole load of cardboard, so the space. I need to tidy this shed. In fact, space is not. Yeah. And I've got more seedlings at home, but let's go outside. So hey. Wow. The tulips have done. The foxgloves, I planted these foxgloves. I can't remember if that was on film or not, but my neighbour gave me, my allotment neighbour gave me these, and they've actually perked up. So hopefully they'll produce some nice foxgloves. The tulips look like they're going back down, but next year will be even better. Garlic's looking all right. That's a great bit. That wasn't there the other day. It's been how long? End of last week. That's right. I planted out the broad beans. They just need a bit of support because they've gone a bit floppy, but that's okay, they're not dead. And also, look at all this. Now this is how I do cardboard. So I get massive pieces of cardboard from Halfords, take out all the staples, or if it has tape, Halford cardboard doesn't tend to have tape, but if it did, I'd take the tape off as well. Tip with cardboard, if it's slightly damp, the tape comes off really easily. But I do strip these particular ones, but they take up a lot of space. They're very good. And also the idea is you block out all light. So things like this gap here, you make sure you have overlapped cardboard on top of that. And then obviously you put your beds. That's going to be a path there, but there's no wood chip in the place yet. Look at the gooseberries. Oh, in fact, there's flowers coming. Wow. And the common barberry. That'll be interesting to see how that does this year. It does need trimming and then more cardboard putting down. That's the idea anyway. And my rhubarb. Oh my God, I never noticed a flower before. Look at this. Wow. There's rhubarb. I've never seen a rhubarb flower. Wow. That's incredible. What does that actually mean? Does anyone know? I don't think this is ripe yet because it's not yet red, the stems. But that's amazing. Does anyone know what that... Has anyone had... Oh yeah, I don't remember having a rhubarb flower last year. Oh, I planted the horseradish. That's in a self-contained pot, as you can obviously see. Yeah, I mean, it's looking all right. It's not looking terrible. A little bit floppy, but not bad. I'm definitely going to get some more pond plants when funds allow. But the leaves look all right. You know, I was worried that it might not survive, but I'm thinking that's looking fine. And it will obviously grow more leaves as it warms up. Yeah. Oh, the leaning Pisa, Tower of Pisa. This. I do have a solution that's in my rucksack that I'm hoping will work, but we'll worry about. I'll sort of come to that later. Definitely needs attended anyway, that arch. So in here are the spring cabbages, but they seem to be, they're being munched. But my shallots, they're only there just because I'm just the cabbages with, it's just companion planting. But the shallots are doing very well, which is great. I'm going to have to heighten this or take it off altogether and give up on the spring cabbage because they don't look very happy. That does actually need weeding. And then my boysenberry, it's really beginning to bush out actually, which is great. So that like this could be tied back up. Yeah, lovely. My perpetual spinach, can probably pick some young leaves. Oops, sorry if the scarf got in the way there. Oh look, strimming, a lot of strimming. That needs weeding. That's the leeks. I kind of, meant to be a bit of protection there against the allium leaf miner. I think we've had some really bad winds, as most, well, it depends where you live, doesn't it? But yeah, I mean, we're east, so the winds are terrible if you're west. Oh, I need a coffee, I tell you that much. Right, I'm going to go for a coffee. Let's go to Costa da Shed. Yeah. Oh, I have sown some melons. The seed has chitted. What else? Cucumber, more cucumber. That's at home. What's at home? Oh, runner beans, moonlight. Can you see that? Huge bit of cardboard. I'm taking off the staples. Always first thing to do, staples or tape. And I use this, but a flat-headed screwdriver would do the job just as well. Right. And with the Halfords boxes, they are quite large. But you kind of, you know, just prise open. Ta-da! Right, get all these off. Put them in my metal recycling. And then I can lay this one out. I think I'll trim first the grass that I'm going to go put it on top of. Yeah, but first, staples. So I'm not actually laying it here. I'm just want to show you how big the Halfords bicycle boxes are. I mean, look, so much better than smaller pieces. You know, just nice and large, covers a huge area. And if you have multiple boxes like I do, I'm going to cover this area really quickly. There's only a slight issue is I don't want to. Obviously, I've got these the gooseberries and the common barberry. There's some nice bluebells there. So it's like I'm going to have to kind of try and work around them somehow. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's crack on and try and do that. So I'll probably have to break it up a little bit to sort of work around these pieces. I think I actually will quickly, trim. So I'm going to do that first. Oh, I had a really lovely chat with our wildlife, allotment wildlife expert, Maria Fremling. If I've said that wrong, Maria, I'm really sorry. Well, we had a lovely chat. She loved my pond. She really is a pond expert. It does need more oxygenating plants, I think, and she agrees. But she's going to hopefully try and get me some tadpoles, you know, hopefully soon. But yeah, right, let's crack on. I think she might have a YouTube channel. She did mention this, so I will put a link in the description to it if it's there, if I can find it. Hopefully I should be able to. But yeah, let's crack on with this cardboard. and see you, yeah, let's get it in position. See you in a bit. Oh, okay, look at it, it's huge. Yeah, let's try and get it around these obstacles. I think I'm gonna have to create, oh, did I bring scissors? Yes, good. Right, it's gonna be interesting. Right, I don't really want to flatten the gooseberries, as they're probably quite fragile because they're quite old. Let's go right over the earth, for now anyway. I hope you can see me. Right. Okay. One of the good things in its favour, Halford's cardboard, is it's really thick. Oh, ow. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm going to be a bit closer. It's got to overlap. Plus I'm going to kind of cut out a little circle, half a circle shape. Okay. So I'm making sure it overlaps. I've got a weight here. I've got more weights in the car actually. I forgot to bring in out, but that's okay. Then I've really got to cut a circle to accommodate this barberry. Half a circle even. I'll try to cut. My scissors aren't the best. Right, let's try and do it this way. Half a circle, not bad. I do need to weed around the barberry, and this is why I'm creating a bit of space so it's for access, rather than making the cardboard go right up to the base. Okay, move this across. This I have to overlap as well. And I cut another half circle. Let's kind of get it straight. It'll probably be when it gets wet. Oh, this is the other thing. In drier climates, you definitely need to water your cardboard before you put your mulch, compost or wood chip down. But in a rainy climate that we have in the UK, it will rain soon, guaranteed, so I don't bother watering it. Just no point, because it will rain, and it's never been a real problem before. Right, I'm going to move these. You do always have to weigh it down, but because if I'm not ready yet, I don't have any compost or wood chip. So I just get the cardboard down. I don't worry too much about the fact that I haven't got any, because I will get some soon. So you need something to weigh down, and this is ideal. Your old pallets. There. Oh my God, it's really hot. The sun's come out, and these pieces I might tuck underneath wherever I see a gap, just to hopefully the wind won't grab it. No, it's not really got a gap there. Might just move this along a bit to kind of cover over that area. Whew, wow. So the next stage will be to put compost. There'll be a small path next to that one maybe, or maybe just go shorten that a little bit, push that a little bit to the right, have a smallish path, because there's slabs underneath this what will be, hold on, I need my glasses so I'm pointing to the right. Okay, what can you see? So this bit there, that's where wood chip will go, but I know there's a path. See the slabs? I'm just putting wood chip on top. Saves me a lot of hassle. So, you know, because I've done this, and that's the kind of the path, the communal path here. So, yeah. I just need more cardboard to carry on going down, but I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to do any more cardboard today. Yeah. So that's how I do cardboard on my plot. And I didn't know about Halfords for a long time until someone mentioned it, and I was really pleased they did, because it saved me. Well, it's just the cardboard's so big, and I always ask. I mean, it's polite, isn't it? Even if they've said once before, I always just make a point of asking every time I try and go and pick up cardboard. And they always say yes, but I never take without permission, just in case, because every place might have a different manager. Seems like a lot of birdsong, doesn't it? It's beautiful, but I can't believe it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. We'll try. Barn owl. I mean, honestly, a barn owl. I've never seen that before. Just put you back down. I'm actually really hot. Oh. So we've got a robin, a blue tit, a blackbird, a great tit, a dunnock, a wren, a yellow hammer, and a barn owl. I'm going to enjoy my coffee, sit in the sun. Well, no, sorry, I scratched the sun bit. Sit in the shade, enjoy the breeze, because the breeze is lovely. So if anyone knows about rhubarb flowers and why it's flowering, let me know, because that's the first time I've ever seen that. Oh, I must fix the leaning tower of our leaning arch. I think I've got it in my ingenious solution, but you'll have to watch that on the next vlog. I'll tell you what, you can sometimes smell the sea from here, because we're not that 20 minutes away from Mersey Island. Sometimes I think I can smell the sea. I don't know if that's my imagination, but I really do. So it was lovely to meet Maria, and she was very pleased with my progress with this plot, because she used to have the plot right opposite here. And she actually told me, I don't know if I've said this already, because I've forgotten already, but there used to be asparagus on this plot. I'd love to, I wouldn't mind growing asparagus. Has anyone grown it? I do have asparagus seeds. Is it worth doing it from seed or getting the crowns? What do you reckon? Let me know, please do, because I've never grown asparagus ever. I do have the seeds, so it might be worth chitting them. And I'm telling you what, chitting in the little plastic pots is my, thank you Catherine for that. I've been chitting, I've got lots of stuff chitting. I've got put seeds in chard in the pot yesterday, rainbow chard, and so I'm hoping to grow that as well. So it's all exciting stuff. I might have to redo purple sprouting broccoli. All right, I better call it a day because the battery's low. Let's slurp my coffee, say thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Lovely. Beautiful. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Allotments. I do love them. Might have to do another picture. Anyway, enough of that. The battery's about to die.